How many affiliate programs have you tried? Is it 1 or is it 100? But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you 5 of the best affiliate programs that you can start today, so you can start making some serious affiliate cash. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is talk about new ways to find income online. So let's get to it. And as you're watching this video, I'm just going to assume that you already know or have some type of idea what affiliate marketing is. And if you don't, I highly recommend you check out my other video on where I go into depth on what affiliate marketing is. I'll put the link in the description. All right, and jumping straight into it, number 5 that we have on our list is Amazon Associates. Amazon affiliate program is an easy affiliate program that anyone can sign up for. You don't need no special requirements or anything. Just go to amazonassociates.com or Amazon affiliate program, type in all your information, and you can sign up. That easy. And it's pretty easy to get sales with them because everyone worldwide knows exactly what Amazon is, so they are a very trustworthy company already. This meaning no matter what item you pick on Amazon, you already have trust with the customer, no matter if it's a food product or if you're promoting a lawnmower product. Everyone knows that if it's from Amazon, it's trustworthy, so you can have the uttermost confidence promoting any of their products as well. So once you find your product that you want to promote and lock into your niche, just go to the products page and under text, click get link. Copy the link and just place the link wherever you want. But there is a downside with Amazon affiliate program. Out of all the other affiliate programs, their commission rate is pretty bad compared to them. As you can see, it can range anywhere from 1% to 8%. Anywhere over, I would say 6, 7, 8% is a pretty decent sale, but a lot of their products you're only getting 1 to 3% per sale. And I mean, if you're getting a pretty decent amount of sales per day or per week, it can add up, but starting off you probably won't, so that won't be that much money. But once again, for first starting off with affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates program is a great program to start off with. All right, on to the number 4 affiliate program on our list. We have CJ Affiliate Program. CJ Affiliate Program is a huge affiliate program that sees some very high numbers, reaching over 1 billion customers, 14 plus billion interactions, and $16 billion annually, which means every year. So I would say they're a pretty successful affiliate program. CJ Affiliate is fairly easy to sign up for as well. It'll probably take them a couple days to approve you, but once they do, you'll have the option to promote any product you want on there as soon as you sign up for the other affiliate programs on their website. Before you even sign up for an affiliate program on their website, it tells you the EPC, which means earnings per click. Most of the brands on their website, they're not the most popular brands that everyone knows, but they're all established companies that you can promote with ease. And the amount of money you get per sale is 1 to 30%. The average program gives around 15%. Some affiliate programs I recommend signing up for on CJ Affiliate is Acer, Baldwin, Wayfair, and GDF Studio. All these are easy to get into. You'll be making $10 to $15 per sale, and the network earning for these companies are fairly high. All right, and moving on to number 3 on our list, we have web hosting services. If you're building a brand, a business, a course, it's best to invest. Hey, that rhymes. But it's best to invest in building your own website. Websites are very easy to create. All you need is a web hosting provider, WordPress or a similar application, and let your imagination run wild, because you can pick a bunch of different templates, designs, and everything that you want your website to look like. The 2 top web hosting services I highly recommend that you promote is SiteGround and Bluehost. Let me first start out by saying how amazing SiteGround affiliate program and their web hosting services is. As you can see, you receive very high commissions per sale, and on top of that, the more you sell, the higher the commissions are. Plus they give you banners to advertise wherever you would like. And with Bluehost services, you can earn $65 per sale you get, which is still crazy high too. And the target audience I will try to promote my links to for web hosting services, anyone's trying to start a business or anybody that's trying to do anything serious online. They're going to need a web hosting service. So that's the best people that you want to promote to. And just like that, we've already made it to number 2 on our list, which is Impact Affiliate Program. Impact affiliate program is very similar to CJ affiliate program by having a lot of different advertiser and brands that you can choose from to promote. Personally, I like Impact more because there's more companies to choose from. I like the interface and brands that you can promote more. And just like CJ affiliate, is pretty simple to sign up for them as well. Just go to impact.com, fill in all the required information that you need to, and it'll take 3 to 7 days to get approved. Some brands I highly recommend promoting on Impact is CryptoWatch, Gove, Ninja Kitchen, and Instacart. All these brands are in different categories and pretty simple to promote once you find the target audience to promote to as well. Instacart is for groceries, for people that's trying to make some side extra cash with delivering groceries to other people. Gove is mainly focused based on people that's trying to buy lights, like accent lights that you can have in the background that's different colors, anything like that. Ninja Kitchen is for people trying to buy kitchen supplies, and CryptoWatch is for anyone, well, the name implies it, anyone that's trying to watch their crypto grow or decrease by the day-to-day average. And on to number 1 on our list, we have You Decide. What are you interested in? What do you spend most of your time doing? Is it art, video games, investing, food? There's an endless variety of topics that you can choose from, and I guarantee whatever it is, you can find a great affiliate program to get into no matter what your topic is. So you'll be able to deepen your knowledge on one of your favorite topics, meanwhile you'll be able to make money as well at the same time. That's kind of a win-win situation in my opinion. For example, let's say I picked video games. I like video games and I wanted to promote Fortnite. Actually I do. Let me not use that as an example. I actually do like Fortnite. It's a pretty good game. Just open your web browser, type in the name of whatever you want to promote. For me, it was Fortnite, and look at that. They have an affiliate program. Just sign up and that easily you'll be able to start making money with one of your favorite topics. And if you can't find an affiliate program on a topic that you're interested in, just leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to find it for you. Alright, and that completes our list. But lastly, I want to mention something about ClickBank. If you're into affiliate market, or maybe you've heard about it, you've probably heard of ClickBank. It's the first affiliate program I heard a lot of times when I first started off. And yes, you can make some decent cash using ClickBank. And in my opinion, it's not a great affiliate program to start off with when you're first starting, due to the fact they have a lot of spammy products and no well-known products that customers will know and be able to build trust with them. Just something to think about if you're promoting or thinking about promoting ClickBank products. And we have reached the end of the video. Promote one of the affiliate programs or promote all 5, but please down in the comments tell me which one was your favorite. And if you want more tips and ways to make money online, then hit the subscribe button, because making money online is all we do at Online Muscle Hustle. And until next time, I hope you enjoy your day. Peace.